Hi, my name is Deputy Stephanie Herrington, and I'm a trained car seat technician, and I work for the Delaware County Sheriff's Office. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of booster seats. It's to help keep children safe who are not ready to be in a seatbelt alone, to help them keep them safe if they're involved in a crash. I'm talking about booster seats today because booster seats are very important for the children who are not tall enough to sit in a seatbelt alone. Ohio law says that a child should be 4'9" and 8 years old in order to sit without any booster seat. But the child who is under 8 needs to be in a booster seat. Hi, this is Derek, and I'm Deputy Herrington. And Derek's going to help me show you the reasons why it's unsafe for a child to ride in a vehicle seat without a booster. Derek is riding uncomfortably as well. He's also slouching. There is room behind him so that way his feet touch the floor. If he was in a booster, the booster helps boost up the child to help make sure that this vehicle seatbelt is in the proper place. If you what? Click it or ticket, and remember, keep your dog safe in cars too. If you would like to make an appointment for any range of car seats, you can reach me at the Delaware County Sheriff's Office non-emergency phone number, 740-833-2800,